Hello to everyone, guys. Today in this video, I will just show you how we can open all purchase order lines um, in a tree view, and those purchase order lines of all the purchase orders, and then we can also group by them. Okay, let me just open purchase. Okay, before opening this purchase, I just want to show you that you need to install this application. And to do that, if you go in applications and here, you just need to search purchase. Once you do that, you will see purchase application there. And if you have not installed it, it will be written here activate. You just need to press that, and after like 2-3 minutes, this application will be installed, and it will also appear in your um, application section here as well. Okay, so let me open this purchase section. If you see, when we click purchase, you can see all the purchase orders here in Odoo 16. I'm using Odoo 16 for this demonstration, and IDE I'm using as usual Visual Studio Code. So in Odoo 16, you just need to press purchase, and you can see all the purchase orders here. Once you click any purchase order, you can see in this purchase order, these are the purchase order lines. Means that these are the product lines in this particular purchase order. This is one purchase order. The next one is this. There are 3 purchase order lines here. And next one, there are 2. And next one, 3. So on and on. So we just want to demonstrate. I will demonstrate you how we can see all the purchase order lines, not for one purchase order, but for all in a tree view. And we will add that button or menu button in this reporting or configuration. So I think this reporting will be better. So I will, if I click at the moment in reporting, there is only one purchase button, purchase menu item there. What I want to show you, I will add another menu item there with the name purchase order lines. And when we will press that, we will see all the order lines, purchase order lines in one tree view. But if you want to make sure that you cannot see that which purchase order line belongs to which purchase order, for that we have one option there, which is group by, which I will show you later. So let's start this. Okay. First of all, because we want to do this with purchase order, so it's always better to make a new file. We have already worked in project task sale order. So we are working now purchase order. So let's create a new file. I would say purchase order extension, just abbreviation for extension, and this is an XML file. Let me just copy this, Control C, for the purpose of adding it in our manifest file. So here, because this file is in views directory, and we paste that which we copied, the name of our XML file. Okay, that's good. Let me just copy this bit, which is always the same in all XML files. So this is Odoo tags. Okay, so first of all, we need to create a tree view. How we can do that, as in my previous videos, I show you how to inherit a field and how to make tree views and all that stuff. So let's just copy this bit. Let's just copy this bit from other file, and we are changing this here. So first of all, we need to create a record ID. I would say let's change this to purchase order lines. Okay, and then tree view. You can make any name whatever you want. And then in name, you want to give a unique name. I would say the same name but with dot. And the model we want in that tree view, that is purchase, uh, purchase dot order dot line. This is the model name, and then inherit. We are not inheriting anything. We are just creating a new tree view, so we don't need that. And then field name, it will be same, and we will remove this XPath because we are not inheriting anything. Okay, so because I have just told you we are creating a tree view. So first of all, we will call it string of that tree will be, we say purchase order lines. Okay, right, guys. The next thing I would uh, edit table is, I would say top. Okay, I will demonstrate you later that what it means. Editable is equal to top. So let this work this now. Oh, and multi edit as well. In my previous video, I have shown you what is the purpose of multi edit. We can edit multiple records. So this is why I'm just doing that here. So this is tree view. Okay. And then we need to add fields in our tree view. So I would say field name is equal to the first field I want, that is product ID. Right. Let me just show you which fields I want. So if I go in Odoo purchase order, you can see the first field is product underscore ID. To see the technical name of the fields, you first make sure that your developer mode is on. So if it's on, you need to install extension for developer mode here, or you can just do, I have just shown you um, in my previous videos that how to uh, tap on the developer mode. But anyway, after doing the developer mode, you can scroll the mouse here. You can see this is the field which is product underscore ID. Second field, we want name. Third, we want product underscore QTY quantity. Then price underscore unit. Then taxes underscore ID. And then price underscore subtotal. It's up to you that what kind of fields you want, which fields you want there. But I would practice, we are practicing all the fields here. So let's go back. So the first field is this. Let's copy and paste. I think we have got 5 fields. So second is name. Third one is product underscore QTY. Next is price underscore unit. Next is taxes underscore ID. And the last one is price underscore subtotal. And for this field, we want a widget. We say monetary. This is for the currency widget. So whenever we are showing any price related thing, we can just show the widget as well here. Well, okay. So this is our tree view now. So after that, when we create a tree view, we need to create an action, because when that action will be triggered with the menu item, then this tree view will be opened. So for that, let's again copy this. Here, we can say action, just create a unique ID. Action purchase order lines menu, or anything you want. copy this and paste it here. Okay, and here model for that is not, because this is the view model, but this model is ir dot actions dot act underscore window. This is the model for action, right, guys? So after that, um, we need to give the model, and this is res underscore model, which is purchase and a purchase dot order dot line. That's right. And there is another thing we need to give here, control. So we can say here type, and type is, just a second, and type is same, ir dot actions dot act underscore window. That's it. Then rest model, and after that, let me just delete this. We don't need that. After that, we need a view ID, and view ID will be, what is the name of this tree which has been created? So record ID, we will paste it here. So this is the view ID which we want to trigger with this action. And then another field, and here we want view mode, that what uh, kind of view mode we want, and we say we want a tree view, just a tree view, not a form after that, just a tree view. So that's it. Let's, so this is our action now. This is our action. This is our tree view. And now the last thing we want to create a menu item. How we can do that? So it will start with menu item, name, and we say the name, we give purchase, order, lines. Then we need to pass a new unique ID. We can just create anything. We will say purchase underscore order lines. We would say menu item. Okay. We would say then parent. What would be the parent of this menu item? Where this menu item will be associated with, which with parents. So as I have already discussed with you previously, that I want it here. So if we go in purchase order, I open a purchase order. So here in this reporting menu, so how to know that what is the ID, or what is the inheritance ID of, or XML ID for this reporting menu item? So for that, you need to go in settings, make sure developer mode is on, and after that you can click technical, and here menu items. So because we want reporting, so I would type here reporting, and when I will enter it, so these are all the reporting menu in all over the Odoo. But this is the one which I'm more interested, which is purchase reporting. So this is in purchase uh, main app, and then reporting. So I click this, and after clicking that, I can click this here, this button, and I need to click view metadata. So when I click view metadata, it will just give me XML ID for that menu item, which is purchase dot purchase underscore report underscore main. Let me just copy that, and I go back in parent, and I would say that parent for that menu item is this. And then after that, I would say action, and action will be this one which we have created here. You need to give this here. That's it. Let me just put this in different line. And that's it, guys. So to do that, first we have created a tree view. Then we have created action view for opening that tree view. And then we have created a menu item. So let's restart Odoo service, and I will upgrade the module as well. Finger crossed, we will not get any errors. But anyway, if we will get, we will try to remove them. So it's just upgrading the module. Won't take long. Okay, so we have got an error. It's saying that purchase order somewhere. Okay, that view in menu item. This is the lines ID. Is this parent? A wrong value for. Oh, this is the typo. You can see it here, ir.ui. So this is completely wrong. Let me just open the view. Sorry for that. So if I go here in Visual Studio, so this is the error here. So this is UI, not VI. So let's restart again. Let's upgrade the module again. Sometimes we just need to be open to our errors, and yeah, and just quite need to read the error description quite carefully, so we can just know that where we need to look at where the error is. So hopefully it's fine now. Okay, so let's click our purchase app, and okay, that's good. So first of all, if you see here, purchase order lines are there. This is the menu item we have added in by this action, and the name we have just declared, that is purchase order lines, the same there. When we click this purchase order lines, the action will call this one. This is the action. In this action, we are saying we need a tree view, and we need purchase order lines, and view ID will be just show us these fields which are here, 6 fields. So it has shown us product name, product underscore QTY, price underscore unit, taxes underscore ID, and price underscore subtotal. This is a very important solution for a very important scenario, which you can face anytime in your professional life, in your education life. So this is quite handy. Okay, so these are all the purchase order lines for all your purchase orders. So how to differentiate that which purchase order line is belonging with which purchase order? You can group by, and you can group by order reference. So in P00007 purchase order, there are only 2 order lines, these ones. In next purchase order, which is P00006, there are 3 purchase order lines. In next one, 2. And next one, and you can edit them. If you want to change anything, you can edit them. You can change here. You can change here. Isn't that beautiful? I hope you like this video, guys. This my main objective is not to just show small basic things, but to um, talk about the main and very important scenarios which we are facing every single day. A couple of years ago, I still remember when I needed to resolve this kind of issue, I was not getting much help. So I hope you like this video. Please like it, uh, share it, and subscribe it, please, my channel. Thank you. See you in next video. Bye bye.